Hey guys, what up? Total Control 871 coming to you with the court update. Okay, so court has been adjourned for May 17th. There we were, all seated and settled in, just about to convene the court. Prosecution appeared to be having difficulty with its video evidence. The files were saying that they were corrupt or unreadable, something to that effect. However, His Honor, Judge Freed, he said he had to be elsewhere in a relative short amount of time, and well, this trial is definitely going to take a lot longer than a half an hour. Um, so there wasn't adequate time to commence the trial. So it was agreed upon between prosecution and myself to adjourn to a later date. It did cross my mind to request that the case to be dismissed for lack of prosecution. Although I don't think His Honor would have dismissed the case. Um, he would have just simply adjourned like he did. Um, Plus, there are some advantages to myself um, getting more time. Namely, GoFundMe. Hey guys, everybody out there, if you're interested in supporting a cyclist as they fight for their legal rights to the road, then please drop a few coins in the bank. I will link it down below. We got $100 in the bank. We need $400 more to retain an attorney, and that would really be awesome if we could get this done with an attorney. All right. So yeah, the case was adjourned, and May 17th. In court today. In court today was, it really is a very bitter piece of irony, because what these judges, they prosecute all day long the exact same stuff, basically. Reckless driving, bad driving, drug use. Oh, man, drug use. I'm telling you, people, there are so many marijuana advocates out there that will say how harmless, and they have their own arguments about how harmless marijuana is. All I know is that as I sat in court today, and there were a couple of trials before mine, you had to have been there, okay? These people, these, I guess, young people, young, old, all of them, this one guy, he represented himself. He qualified for a public defender. He just didn't want he did have a reason for not wanting the public defender. It's not that he didn't want the public defender. He just needed the case to be over so apparently he could excuse me, get his bail money back. I guess he was having difficulty paying his rent. So he was under a financial constraint, and he ended up going it alone, and his case was highly circumstantial. He was, excuse me, accused of driving on a suspended license. I think it was a multiple offense, and the thing was that the police officer never actually saw him driving the vehicle. The car had run out of gas, and he went to go get gas, and he's returning from the gas station. And his friends ran their damn mouth about who was driving the car. He alleged that he didn't, wasn't doing it. So, long story short, he ended up getting convicted on circumstantial evidence. There's a lot more I could say on that. He probably is guilty, but there's still circumstantial evidence. Um, what can I say? That is pretty much it right now. Loading up our trailer. You see that? Gonna be going to the laundromat, get some laundry done. Still getting over my little coffee head cold, whatever. And it's a very surreal feeling that I'm feeling right now. It's like a weird kind of a state of limbo. I do. I feel like, death row inmates, state of Arkansas. I could very well only have I really don't know what to tell you guys. I'm not paying and I'm not going back to jail. What are the other options? I really don't know. Um, so I don't know. I got a couple of weeks. Let's see if we can get some money in the GoFundMe account. I'm sorry if I'm not uh, asking for money the right way. Um, I've worked my entire life. Okay. I'm not really used to asking other people for things. I worked my entire life, so I don't know what it is to tell you. I'm not an emotional manipulator. Not saying that people who have um, heartfelt GoFundMe campaigns. I'm not saying that they're emotional manipulators. I should have took a cough drop before doing this. Um, I'm just a little too down to earth. I don't, you know, put it like this. I used to have a roommate. We split an apartment years ago, and he would like me to sit and watch American Idol and shit like that with him. He would get pissed at me because it'd be like on DVR. I would fast forward through the sob stories. I really don't care what your sob story is. So I'm a man of my own words, a man of my own conviction. I'm not really here to give you guys some big, weepy sob story. It's not me. Um, I'm fighting for rights, for our rights to the road as cyclists. You know, Title 39, 414, the very beginning of its reading, cyclists are entitled to all the same rights and duties. All right, guys, that's going to be it. See if I can use last of this daylight, get this laundry knocked out, and talk to you guys soon. Total Control 871.